Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of our Defense Forces, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Mama Rachel Ruto, the Governor of Bungoma County, my friend and college mate, Kenneth Makelo Lusaka, aka Babawini, the short man from Kamkuya, Cabinet Secretary is present, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, the Speakers of the two Houses, the Chief of Defense Forces, and the Service Commanders, the people of Goma Hamjambu, Bungoma Hui, Bungoma Hui, watu wa Mlebe hamjambo. Your Excellency, I'll be very brief because my role in this great county of Bungoma, in the heart of Mlembe Nation, is to usher you to talk to the people of Kenya. But let me say, Your Excellency, you are the vision carrier of our administration. And those of us you have given the privilege to serve under you remain committed and focused to assist you in the transformation of our great republic so that the people of Kenya have better lives and the improvement of our economic fortunes. But before I call Your Excellency, you allow me 10 seconds to digress just a little bit. Before the advent of Manchester United and Arsenal, we used to have a great contest in the 80s and the 90s between Gor Mahia and AFC Leopards. During that time, I was a keen fan of football. I was and remain a great supporter and fan of AFC Leopards. With those few remarks, please be upstanding and help me to usher in the President of the Republic of Kenya, President William Ruto. Mr. President.